So here we are, welcome back to another video. In this video you're going to see quite a diverse selection of things that I paint. It's going to be an interesting one. There's also a few surprises. Well, I say a few, there's at least one, possibly two surprises along the way. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. There's going to be a commission. It's going to be my first commission that I've been involved with. It's not just a solo commission, just myself. I'm going to be painting alongside Humour. Humour is the main artist in this, I would say. I'm just kind of involved because I'm a local guy. But yeah, basically the commission is 3 days worth of painting. We've got a little workshop to do with some kids that are coming down from a local school, which is taking place today. And then we've got kind of like 2 full days of painting, and we're going to be doing some kind of mural across this wall. This wall has been getting painted now for a few years on and off, mainly just by local people, just regular kind of dubs and throw-ups, and some good pieces actually have been painted on this wall. So yeah, here is the wall. So we emulsioned it this morning. The weather is absolutely terrible, so we have some wet patches on the left hand side and in the middle, you can see up there. So they are just not drying. So yeah, hopefully this dries before midday when some kids turn up to paint. We're going to do some stencils with them, and at some point we're also going to be painting this wall. So here we are, day 2. I didn't really film anything yesterday. I didn't film the kiddies painting. They just basically painted all of this, and then after they left we did the black outline and border and a bit of red around the outside, me and Humour. So yeah, that wall was mulched up yesterday. It was soaking wet. It's dry now, thankfully, but already overnight someone has been here and put this HEP, whoever that is, don't know, never seen that about before, and the classic nonce. So I don't know, it's jealousy or I don't know, just kiddies being pricks. But So here we are, day 3. It's going to be on this wall. It's kind of like the second full day we're going to be doing. I've got to kind of say this right now that I haven't been doing a very good job of filming, and also I want to say for the artwork itself is kind of like Hugh's design, Huma's design. So we've still got a lot to do today. So yeah, I'll try and do a better job of filming today as well. I didn't do a very good job of filming on that final day. We were battling against poor conditions. It was super windy, as you may have picked up in that last little segment of clips. We did also get taken out within 24 hours. We got some little throw up things put over our wall by some local kids. Well, I think they're young adults, but anyway, they're hardcore legal wall throw up people, because that's hardcore. So yeah, anyway, is what it is. But anyway, the takeaway for myself personally was that I need to actually concentrate on trying to progress as a spray can artist, rather than just doing letters the whole time and being a legal Wall Street artist that only paints letters. So yeah, on to the next part of this video, where I try some photorealism for the first time off my own back, going through the process of using the app, doing the whole opacity thing. So yeah, I will say as well that I used a substandard piece of work down on the legal wall, on the zigzag bridge. I use that as my doodle grid rather than actually doing a doodle grid. I just used a bad piece as the doodle grid, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this outcome. There you go, all done. This video is over. Please drop a comment, tell me what you think about this video, what you thought about my first solo effort as a photorealism piece, and also what do you think about the commission. I think it was pretty cool. It was a pity it was trashed, but oh well, that is life. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, drop a comment, and yeah, like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.